nandito kami sa...
Good afternoon.
Yan, good afternoon guys. So, welcome to our YouTube channel again. So, nandito kami. Dahil na Thursday, kami ay pumunta dito sa Residency Inn sa Tagaytay. Sorry natin.
Sorry.
Yes. So, tingnan natin. Let's go to the show yata. May show, animal show talaga.
Yan. Pasok po tayo mga adventure.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda. O, yan guys.
Tarantula. Ay, doon.
Yun yung isang gift ko. Tawa ko.
Dito na lang tayo.
Mga kagapan na binibili. So guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tarantula na yung bilhin nyo para magandang panlaban. Okay, so now we're going to continue. But again, guys, please, I would like to remind everyone to please be seated all throughout the show. Especially po yung mga medyo nandito sa harapan. So, yung mga nasa likod po, they can able to watch the show. Now, down to our next animal friend. Can I have my next brave volunteer? Next brave volunteer. Yes, my ate. Come on, please join here. She's a bit confused. Parang nag-iisip siya. Am I going to raise my hands? Hi, happy afternoon and again, welcome to today's Thai residency. What's your name? Leia. How are you doing today, Leia?
Fine.
Fine. Are you nervous?
5 years.
Kind of. But are you excited?
Ito nga sila.
Maybe she's confused talaga. But are you brave? I think so. Let's see. Now, to meet our next animal friend, let's move forward a bit. There you go. And please bring out both of your hands just like this. And you need to keep that steady and Leia, right? So I would like to remind you that whatever the animals we put in your hands, please do not drop it. So okay ka pa? Yes? Are you still nervous? A little bit. Sasabihin ko na sa'yo, kailangan mo talagang kabahan. No, I'm just kidding. Now, are you ready? Yes. So if you're ready to all the way from Africa, shall see. Now, Chelsea here is the ball python, also known as the royal or the crown python, because they serve as pets for royalties in ancient Egyptian. The smallest of all pythons that can be found in Africa. They got their name ball because they roll themselves into a ball when they are threatened or nervous. And it can live up to maximum of 50 years in captivity. Now let's give a round of applause for Chelsea the ball python and of course to our brave volunteer. Thank you so much. And have some sanitizer before you leave. Good job, ate. Okay, so now we're going to continue. We are done with a small. Let's see if we are going to move or we are going to jump to the large one. Let's see. So who wants to be my next brave volunteer? Yes, you buddy wearing black jacket. Come on, Johnny here. Oh, he's so brave. Hi, buddy. Happy afternoon. And can you give Ate Ipon a high five first? There you go. What's your name? Oh, that's too long. So, how do you want me to call you? Do you have any nickname? What is it? Sonny. Is it correct? Oh, you are Sonny. So, I am Ate April and it's nice to meet you today, buddy. Now, are you ready to meet our next animal friend? Yeah, now Sonny, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to stand straight. Like this. Again, you need to put both of your arms and keep that steady. Both of your arms on your side like this. And now, I would like to remind you that whatever the animals we put on your shoulder, please do not drop it. Now, are you ready, Sonny? Yes. So if you're ready, we're all the way from the land down under Australia. 10. Now 10 here is a bearded dragon. They got their name because of their spiky pouch, which comes out of their lower jaw, which resembles as a beard. Ladies and gentlemen, bearded dragon might a little perfect pets for your kids. Now let's give a round of applause for Tenten to Victor Jacket and of course to Sunny for being so brave. You can touch it, Sunny. How was it? You like it? You want to take it home? I know. Thank you so much. I'm going to go right now to your seat. Now, we're going to continue down to our next animal friend. So earlier, I asked for a female adult volunteer, right? So how about this time that I have my male adult volunteer? Male adult volunteer. Male adult volunteer. Male adult volunteer. Anyone? You have my male adult volunteer. And I have my male adult volunteer. So I have a very cute little boy here. What's your name? You are Nico. So I am looking for a male adult volunteer. Who's with you today? Is your daddy with you? Oh, where is daddy? Ayun, call your daddy. Daddy, what is the name of your dad? What? Daddy Nick, asa si Daddy Nick? Daddy Nick, pupunta ka dito sa harap o hindi ko ibabalik ang anak mo? Just kidding. So Daddy Nick, dahil gusto mag-volunteer ng anak mo, but I am looking for a female, male adult volunteer. So Daddy Nick, I don't think you have any other choice. So come on, guys, please do join me in here. Now, you're just going to stand here sa middle namin ni Daddy Nick, okay? So hi sir, happy afternoon and welcome to the Pets in Action Encounter Show. So huli kasi maybe hindi ako pinahirapan maghanap ng volunteer. Taga saan kayo sir? Where are you from? Nay, Cavite. And first time nyo rin dito sa amin, sir? Oh, thank you, sir, sa pag-visit dito ulit sa amin. And so we need to our next animal friend. What we have to do is just to bring out one of your hands, just like this. Like that. So that we're gonna do it. We're just going to stand here, okay? For our own safety, we will gonna let Dad Nick to stay there, okay? Is it okay? Opo. Okay. So, Sir Nick, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Can I ask you to make it a bit wider? I think that is perfect. So, Sir Nick, again, I would like to remind you that whatever the animals we put in your hands, please do not drop it. So, you don't have to worry because your safety is our priority here. May medic na pong nag-iintay sa inyo sa labas. No, I'm just kidding. So, Sir Nick, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Yes, ready. So, if you're ready now, all the way from South America, Rocky. Now Rocky here is a red-tailed boa. Boas generally lives on their own. They don't interact with any other snake unless they run to mate. And one fascinating fact about boas is they give live birth to their young, unlike many other snakes who lay eggs. They are also calibrated, which means they constrict their prey before they swallow everything whole. Now let's give a round of applause for Rocky the red-tailed boa and of course to our great volunteer. Thank you so much. We have to sanitizer before we leave. You're so brave. Thank you so much, Lady. Okay, so now we are going to have a very quick break. So promise po, mabilis lang to. But again, I would like to remind everyone to please be seated and keep this center aisle open. So again, I would like to remind everyone to please be seated. That dog has energy and stamina, perfect for all this bush jumping, including farming, watchdogs, and search and rescue. Safe burner, they're also very active. They love to be involved. But sorry, folks, as far as we know, they don't do laundry. Hi, Bernie, welcome to the show. Come on, Bernie, say something. You can do it. Oh, nice, Mark. Louder. Louder. One more. Good job, Bernie. And now I would like to ask everyone to please raise up your hands just like this. Come on, everyone. Everyone, please raise up your hands. Everyone. Can I see everyone raising their hands? There you go. And I think I'm ready to get my next free volunteer. So you're so lucky. You're my next free volunteer. No, I'm just kidding. So, guys, can I see you raising your hands again, please? Raise up your hands. Raise up your hands. No, don't worry, guys. I'm not going to get my next volunteer. So you can raise up your hands. Come on. There you go. And Bernie, can you please wave bye to everyone? Come on, buddy. Wave bye. Wave bye, wave bye, wave bye. Hi there. Bye bye. One more time, Bernie. One more time. Wave bye. Wave bye. Goodbye, everyone. Hi we're Bernie, Lucy, our dog, and of course, our trainer, Kuya Ezekiel. Thank you so much. Okay, you can go back inside now, Bernie. Thank you so much. Okay, so guys, after that, we're going to continue now down to our next animal friend. But how about this time? Can I have my 5 adult great volunteers? Come on, 5 adult great volunteers. So how about you, sir? And you, ma'am, why you two don't join us? We're okay? Okay. So who wants to be my great volunteer adult? How about you, sir? Who wants to okay? Everyone, adult great volunteer. How about you, ma'am? Come on, join us. Come on, join us. So I got one. Who else? Who else? Who else?
Pwede pa tayo.
So ma'am, kanina ka makaltak, sumama ka. Nagcha-church ka? Nagcha-church ka? Hindi akong bahala na sa china-church mo. So I got 1, 2, 3, 2 more. How about from the back? Who else? Wow, from the back. Oh, wait, guys. I think we are having a hard time to get our volunteer. So how about this time, I'll choose na lang. Okay, so I'm gonna choose who's gonna be our adult great volunteer. Okay, so how about from this? Oh, how about you, ma'am? Why not join us? Come on. Ma'am, congratulations, you are the chosen one. Come on. So I got another one. And I think I'll be needing one more. How about you, ma'am? Come on, ma'am, it's okay. Don't worry, because your safety is our priority here. Come on, join us. It's okay. Masaya to. Come on. Ayaw ni ma'am. Who else? Ay, okay, ma'am. Si ma'am na nasa likod, wearing black shirt. Okay, there you go. So I think I'll get ma'am. Oh, four. Where's the other one? Oh, ma'am, come on. Oh, wow. Kuya Benson is here. So guys, if you want to complete your Tagaytay experience, please don't miss this opportunity to try the best authentic Bulalo plus crispy novelis. And we also have the flaming chicken that you can enjoy for as low as 799 pesos. So again, we have Kuya Benson there. So just ask him for more information. Alright. So there you go. I got my 5 adult great volunteers. So guys, happy afternoon and again, welcome to the Pets in Action Cover Show. Si ma'am, parang magkasama kayo, no? Magkasama kayo ni sir. Kaano mo si sir? Kasama mo. Kanina mo pa siya pinipilit mag-volunteer. Tapos akala mo makakatakas ka, no? Bawal magkatabi ang magkasama dito. Dito ka sa kabilang side. Ayan. And ma'am, switch kayo ni sir. Dito ka naman sa kabila. Now guys, can I ask you to please create a straight line first? Dapat mo pantay na pantay. Ayan. Dapat yung sinukat ng ruler. Now, you need to compress yourselves together. There you go. So guys, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to raise up your hands just like this. Ayan. Taas mo isang kamay lang. Now, please look at your family and friends because you can give them now your final way bye. Bye-bye. Because this might be the last meeting. Come on, bye-bye. Good. Give your final way bye to your family and friends. Do you have any last message for them? Wala naman. Wala silang message, but at least they look very happy naman, okay? No, guys, I'm just kidding. You can put it down. So, guys, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just bring out one of your hands just like this. And again, you need to keep that steady, and I would like to remind you that whatever the animals we put on your hands, please do not drop it, squeeze it, or show it. Another reminder, guys, you can scream, you can cry, you can dance, you can do whatever you want to do, pero bawal mag-back out. At isa pa, bawal umalis ng pwesto. Okay, so I think we are very clear with that. Now, are you ready? Yun na yun. Sobra akong nagulat, sobrang taas ng energy nyo. Pinawisan ako sa sobrang taas. Again. Yung medyo energetic man, yung kakabahan, yung next natin sa sagot nyo. Again, guys, are you ready? Reach up to 13 to 30 feet in length and can weigh up to 200 to 300 pounds. Ito pala naman si Ma'am Emma Tapan. Nagkamali ako ng hinala. Pinalipat ko dito si Ma'am kasi akala ko matatakot siya. Pero parang tapang ni Ma'am. Hi Ma'am! Happy afternoon and again welcome to the Pets in Action Encounter Show. What's your name? Harriet. You are from? Armona, Cavite. So ma'am, kamusta naman po yung experience niyo with Tiny? Mabigat siya. So yun lang naman yung kino-complain ni ma'am. So Tiny is heavy daw po. So ma'am, aside from that, wala ka namang ibang irereklamo kay Tiny? Wala naman. Hindi ka kinakabahan. Are you nervous? Huwag ka lang yan sa gawin, ma'am. You know what? Hindi ka kakagatin ni Tiny. Kasi yan si Tiny, sobrang sweet niyan. Sa sobrang pagka-sweet niyan, ikikiss ka niyan sa chin. Come on, guys, let's go! 1, 2, Tiny, kiss, 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 kiss. Just a quick kiss. Okay ka lang? Ay, parang ayaw na rin ako nun. So, ma'am, relax ka lang. Nag-joke lang ako. Ay, parang mas gusto niya yung kabila, no? Hi, ma'am. Happy afternoon. Ito si ma'am talagang pinilit ko lang. Napilitan lang talaga si ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Happy afternoon po. Anong pangalan ni ma'am? Vicky. Tama po ba? Ma'am Vicky, taga saan po kayo? Quezon City. And first time yun din dito sa amin, ma'am Vicky. Kamusta naman po yung first time? Okay naman. So, ma'am Vicky, sino kasama niyo po? Oh, hi, kids! So, is your mama brave? Matapang ba si mama? You think hindi matatakot dito si mama sa snake namin? Oh, wow! Sobrang proud sa inyo ng mga baby nyo. Pati si sir, nung kinuha ko yung volunteer kanina, talagang pinupush ka niya na go. Si mama medyo teary-eye siya, no? Iya, yan yung saya, tsaka mas saya daw, tsaka kaba. Ma'am, why are you nervous? Hinahawakan niyo po, buntot lang. Ayaw mo ng snake, ma'am. Congratulations dahil kinaya mo hawakan ng buntot ni Tiny at dahil kinaya mo ang buntot, now let's make a switch. Head goes there, tail goes to there.
Ulo naman, ulo.
Now did you know that pythons have a very important eyesight, but in how they can see their prey? Underneath their jaws, there's a hole or bits which serves as internet scanner, and their fork-like attack is a combination of eyesight, hearing, and taste. Now, let's give a round of applause for Tiny the Burmese Fat Now applause to our Raymond here! Mukhang matutuloy yung kiss dito sa side deck. Ay, ayaw na daw. Okay, thank you so much everyone. You really did a great job! Congratulations! Thank you so much, ma'am! Okay, so now guys, before we continue, about them. Remember guys, animals, no matter how big or small, has the right to live free from hunger, thirst, or even danger. Where we humans have to play the biggest role. So do your part. Help us protect and conserve our environment. And on behalf of our residents and staffs and our wonderful animal friends, we do hope you enjoyed this presentation. Maraming salamat po. See you around the park. Goodbye everyone. Thank you so much. Alright, so by the way guys, for those who are interested to have a photo taken together with Tiny, Chelsea and Bernie, so all you have to do is just to simply create a straight line here to set her out for the faster photo session. So once again, for those who are interested to have a photo taken together with Tiny, Chelsea and Bernie, so all you have to do is just to simply create a straight line here to set her out for the faster photo session. So here you guys, because our animals have a limited time only. By the way, it's only a 50 peso for opportunities. Again, 50 pesos na tayo per person, and that is good for 3 animals na po. So again, 50 pesos na tayo, and that is good for 3 animals na po. So hurry guys, because your animals have a limited time only.
Yan, adventure dito. Siguro, ikot. Yan, mga adventure, explore po natin to. Itong Suori Residence Inn. Yan. After show, explore muna natin. Kamukha mo.
Ganda ka dyan. Naka-lipstick pa eh. Ay, hindi, gilagid pa.
Pag ganun tayo. Ikot muna kami ni Sel. Hahanapin namin yung mga...
May mga unggoy kaya dito? Ayun o, may
Ayan,
snake.
yan. Ano yan?
Yung...
Yan. Ano? Sawa. Nadilaw.
Nadilaw.
Ito, tas ito yung ano, tawag dito?
Iguana.
Iguana. Ang laki, oh.
Guys, napasok din namin.
Ang tagal na po natin itong gustong pasukin eh.
Kaso, ano na?
Kasi iguana pa rin na green.
Oo, maliliit.
Nasaan? Hindi makita.
Iguana.
Madumi kasi yung glass eh.
Oo, hindi madumi.
Ayan, hinahanap mo.
Ano yan?
Si kamukha mo.
Hi!
Hello.
Hello!
Oh, see? See?
Yok, baka makuha yun.
Hindi yan madudukot. Hello. Hello.
Kasi yung ano niya.
Hindi.
Kamay. Makuha yung cellphone niya eh.
Hindi kasi yan, no?
Hindi ka, siya ka dyan. Makuha yung cellphone niya.
Kaya ka ba si Stella?
Hi!
Shake hands, shake hands.
Hello!
Sa kabila naman tayo. Oh, nagsasalita.
Hi! Nagsasalita. Ako yung nagsasalita.
Ikaw ba yun?
Ako.
Ikaw ba yun? Naghahanap siya ng
Ano yung
food.
unggoy?
Matching. Naghahanap siya ng pagkain.
Wala nga tayong doon. Hindi bawal yatang ipid yan.
Hindi.
Hindi ba bawal?
Dito sa kabila. Ano meron sa kabila? Nasaan
Hindi,
nakatago?
bahay niyo din yan.
Hindi. Ay, oo nga.
Maluang yung bahay niyo.
Ay, yan pa rin.
Ay, may giraffe. May unggoy.
Siya pa rin.
Ano sabi?
Ay, ang dami.
Hindi naman talaga pala mag-abot kasi wala tayong daladalang
Oo nga,
pagkain.
pwede. Kaya naghihintay yung mga, sana yung mga yun eh. Hindi natin kasi alam mga, hindi natin kasi alam yung policy dito eh. Kaya hindi natin napaghandaan eh. Ay, yung mga...
Hello!
Ano yung tarugo?
Tarugo,
Lalaki.
Tarugo ka dyan.
Nakakanga.
Saan na kami?
Kanina. Ay. Yan, ano yan?
Sheep?
Kabayo, horse.
Kabayo?
Oo.
Yan guys, nandito kami sa Suori Residence Inn, Tagaytay.
Dito ka, Sel, para makita ka. Lapit tayo. Yan. Ito yung
Charot.
pandak.
Medyo mabaho.
Yan, medyo mabaho kasi gawa ng dumi ng mga hayop. Ito naman yung kambing, goat.
Yan yung goat. Yung merong ano, yung humahaba yung kanya guys na ano, na
Pero hindi yan usa.
hindi.
Yan, ano to? Ostrich?
Oo.
Ostrich?
Oo.
Iba-blurred yung camera.
Or yun ang lapit niya.
Yun laki.
Or
Ostrich. Nabubulol na si Sel. Oyster sauce daw ang ano. Trivia. Kaunting kalaman. Basahin mo, Sel. It is the largest vertebrate in Australian race for.
Can we go there pa?
Yes. Go.
Sure?
Yes.
Very restricted.
No. Yan. Ay, tiger. Tiger. Up, up. Up, ang ganda. Dali. Umatuwas ka dyan.
Diba baka bawal oh?
Hindi. Gusto kong I can see. A tiger. Wow, ang payat na niya.
Ay ako ang pagkahawak ko.
Matanda na siya. Old tiger. Payat na eh.
Yan guys. So, ito ay tiger. Gusto ni Kas.
Namaya mga adventure,
Meron.
magpapapicture tayo dun sa tiger sa baba. Baby tiger. Ito, old na siya eh. Old na. Parang hindi na siya makatayo. Yan. So guys, gusto magpunta dito sa Tagaytay na Suori Residence Inn. So meron siyang entrance na 250 per adult. And
Pero yung mga senior
kids.
citizens yun, may mga discount syempre.
Yan, sinusukat naman nila yung
Yung
height.
mga PWD.
Yung kids, 199 yan. So, here we go.
So, let's go. Pwede tayo siguro dito, ano. Bumababa ang baho.
Ito siguro, ano to?
Baka yan eh, ano na. Meron na yung...
Pwede sa taas din.
Ha?
Pwede sa taas.
Pwede, sure ka?
Oo. Kasi wala nang nakalagay na ano eh. Na in danger eh.
Danger? Anong danger?
Dangerous.
Baka kasing
Dangerous.
hill.
Hindi.
Pwede ba yan?
Pwede, wala nakalagay na ano
Sure
eh.
ka? Baka tayo
Yes.
mahulog dyan.
Wala kasi nakalagay na palatandaan na bawal. Eh, ang bawal, puntahan natin.
May sarado. Wala nang laman.
Baka meron dyan sa loob. Yan, meron.
Malikot, baka maano mo ko.
Baka gusto meron.
Tinatapakan yung sapatos ko, baka mahulog ako eh. Wala nang laman. Daga!
Ay, mga daga.
Daga!
Daga, ang laman.
Daga, ano naman?
Diyan sa loob. Ano
Ay, may tiger!
Wow, sabi niya eh. Yan. Wow.
Ay, ang laki.
Yan. Hello.
Patay na yata. Ay,
Buhay pa.
nahinga nga tulog.
Hello.
Huwag mo nang gisingin. Baka
Ang laki
kasi,
ng tiger.
baka kasi ano, teka muna.
So mga adventure, first time
Ay,
namin,
ako nagigising na.
first time ko makakita ng tiger sa personal. Kaya medyo na mamangha tayo.
Tulog siya guys.
Mhm.
Makaka-adventure, tulog. So, hindi na namin siya gigisingin. Baka magulat ako. Mahulog ako dito.
Sabi niya.
Yay!
Hello.
Uy,
Kailangan,
strawberry ka,
kailangan
tapos
natin
mga to,
siyang ano
natulog.
yun. Parinig yung boses niya. Ganon.
Ganun ba yung ano lang ano?
Yun po, parang pusa na huni na malaki ang boses. So,
Tulog, wag mo istorbohin. Ang ingay mo
wake
kasi.
up.
Ang ingay mo.
Pwede ba naman?
Dito, ato may hagdan oh.
Yan.
Ayun guys. So mga ka-adventure, so meron isa lang ang laman dito, yun lang tiger. Tulog pa.
Yan, crocodile oh. Yan,
Where?
yan.
Oo nga, may crocodile. May tiger doon sa taas, guys. Ano ba yung tiger lion? Tiger lion.
Iba. Tiger yun, tiger.
Tiger.
Ano yung crocodile? Bakit tulog?
Patay na yata.
Matay ba siya?
Hindi, I don't. Parang hindi siya gumagalaw.
Si turtle. Hindi, ganyan talaga yan. Nagpapatay pa tayo yan. Hindi, ganyan talaga yung crocodile. Na, ganyan talaga sila. Magaling nila yan.
Butuin mo nga.
Pwede siyang
Buhay.
ngayon. Hindi ano natin siya.
Kasi diga, pagka nag-ano siya,
Wala tayong
nakaka-adventure, mga... Ay, may turtle! May turtle. Ayun o, daming
ano siya,
turtle.
na ganyan siya. Ganyan talaga ang
Oo, patay na. Yata. Ayaw na siyang gumalaw.
hindi naman nahayaan nilang patayan. Ganyan talaga yung mga ugali ng
Bakit
crocodile.
nga ganyan? Parang ayaw niyang gumalaw. Kasi dapat di ba yung mga ganyan, mga crocodile, kapag may tumalamsik na kahit na ano sa tubig, ramdam nila.
Again, ano? Gerard. Ito ang lion. Ayun ang lion.
Ay,
Yan.
ayan ang lion.
White
so,
lion.
ayan,
Dito sa white lion.
noticing daw, keep distance.
Ayan, white lion. Kita ba?
Baka hindi ka kita. Ayan, guys.
Yan.
Mga ka-adventure, mga tulog sila.
Kuyat.
Puyat sila kagabi. Siguro meron silang show. Animal show. May animal show sila. Siguro mga ka-adventure. Kaya yun, tulog.
Yan, si white
Tulog yung
lion.
tiger, tulog yung lion. Tulog! Mga
Camel.
tulog. Ito, ano yan naman camel?
Camel.
Eating so much. Nope, nope, never mind. Bata ka ba? Hey, let's go, everyone!
Ayun o, white tiger ka no? Ayun o.
Wait ko nga yan.
Bitawan ni Steven.
Makasugat na yung kami nito.
Dito ka. Dito ka. Hindi ko kasi may adjust eh. Ikaw mag-adjust.
Ano ba yan? Asa?
Masa sinasayang mo?
For here, the last one for him. Bye, Camel!
Camel.
Bye! Ha?
Adventure, so camel yan. Mali na.
Ito, restricted area na yun.
One. What? No one to remember.
Yun na.
Remember,
Rabbit, who else eats?
the monkey ate one of the bananas.
Guinea pig, goat, camel, monkey.
Ay,
Ano yan?
Saan ang food mo? Ay ka doon.
Ano yan?
Ay ka.
ano yung centipede?
Hindi.
Rabbit? Hindi.
Hindi yan. Ano ba yan?
Para siyang centipede ba? Ewan ko, anong tawag dyan?
Daddy, come here. I wanna give them that.
Yan yung sa daga. Nakaano siya ng daga.
Kalahe.
Don't be scared. Sit down. Sit down. Hindi na rabbit. Parang daga.
Ang cute.
Letting the food guys. Hey,
Are you here?
Okay, here you go. Here you go, little guys. Nom nom. No, they want to eat it. Here, let them eat it. Oh, are you happy?
Kirubin.
Kirubin. Si Kirubin. Ginaguyam na. Sa mga bird naman tayo. Sa bird.
Birds with
Amoy. So change tayo ng posisyon para makita ka. Yan.
sorry guys. Kasi parang sinikmura ako dun sa
Kami ng
sorry ah.
dumi ng purse. Yan. So after nito, Malapit na kami punta sa tiger. Mapapa-picture kami sa tiger. Sa loob. Yan. Yung gagamitin namin. Picture. Gusto ko talaga sa tiger. Doon tayo sa ano sa tiger. Punta kami sa tiger. Oo. Ay, yun yung ano, musang. Yun yung musang, guys.
Musang ba yan?
Oo,
Yun yung matapang na parang cat, di ba?
Oo, ayun yung musang.
Matapang na parang cat.
Iba yung alamig, ayun yung musang siya.
So yan.
Yan. Hindi ko first time makakita niyan. Nakakita na ako niya sa
So
Central.
yun niya. Yung ahas, di ko first time kasi maraming
Ayan.
ahas.
Ang cute ng musang.
Right.
Ang ganda.
Parang matanda na lang siya, no? Guys,
So,
cute na
ito
pala.
niya. Si Musi. Musi.
So ito yun. Kain na dito guys. Kompleto dito. So meron. Pwede kayo magpakain ng mga hayop.
So, pa-exit na po kami. Mga adventure. Ayun naman sila, bird. Nasa tiger. Oo.
Ikaw muna.
Ibahin mo nga. Kasama na nga tayo.
Para
Oo.
pang-profile.
Oo. Para hindi ka matakot. Pagkikita natin yung tiger.
Dun ka sa ulo ha.
Oo naman.
Dun ako sa may buntot.
Hindi naman pahiga yun. Patayo. Yan guys. Pa-exit na po kami. Punta kami sa tiger. Pa-picture kami ni Selly.
Cut muna kayo. Hihi.
Sige, hihi muna. Ayan. So guys, comment. Comment kayo guys. What do you call this? Russell 29 Adventure. Yan. Pikachu.
Para.
Ayan. Eagle yata ito. Parang eagle. Ay, ano ba yan?
Wago. Na?
Hindi na talaga sa tiger. Pa-picture tayo.
Sir, yung picture nyo kanina dito, nakakita nyo na po yun.
Nakikita na po. Thank you, sir.
Ganda ng eyes ni sir ah.
Gusto namin mag-picture, nakakatakot lang. Harmless ba siya kuya pag magpapapicture kami? Pag magpapapicture kami, hindi naman siya makaano. Ay, nakakatakot!
Nag-develop lang siya.
Ha?
Nag-develop. Kaya pala yung picture na yun.
Hindi siya.
Hawakan po ninyo.
Nahawakan. Pwedeng hawakan.
May sample picture.
Ay, ito. Ayun pala. O, tara. Tayong dalawa. Sa loob.
Isa-isa kuya.
Pwede yung dalawa. Sabay. Pwede kami sabay.
Pwedeng sabay kami.
200 po kayo.
Yan.
Camera niyo yung gagamit.
So mga adventure, hanggang dito na lang po ang pag-explore sa Suuri.
Residency dito
Yan,
sa Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.
So napasok din po namin yung matagal na namin gustong pasukin. Nakapagpa-picture pa po kami sa Tiger.
Sa Tiger, yan.
Yan. Sa mga
Yan,
adventure.
na-experience po namin dito yung mga
Dahil
hindi pa
Teacher's
namin
Day, dahil
na-experience.
Teacher's Day nga.
Yan, happy Teacher's Day kay Sel, sa aking partner. Yan. Salamat sa mga staff dito. Napaka-mabait. Yan. Shout out sa Honda Click Ali Philippines. Yan. Sa GC413. Sa lahat ng mga teacher. Happy Teacher's Day. Yan.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers in the
Subscribe.
world. Please
Our YouTube
like,
channel.
subscribe, and share these videos para sa mga
Last time, 29 adventure. So, mga adventure, punta na kayo dito. Magandang experience.
Yan.
Yan.
Magpapaalam na muna kami pansamantala mga ka-adventurer. Medyo ulan na. So, goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Until this video. Bye! Good evening guys. So,
Ay, vlog pala daw.
good evening guys. So, pag after na pumunta doon sa residency,
Yan.
na kami dito sa Pora.
Nagutom eh, nagutom.
So,
Gusto mo na.
wait muna.
Dahil Teacher's Day ngayon, baliktad ako, dinate.
So, yan. Mamaya papasok kami dyan. Nandito lang kami sa labas. Tambay-tambay. Pinag-iisipan namin kung
Wala
papasok
kami-
kami dito sa Pora. Kasi,
Kakain sana kami sa loob ng Pora eh, wala naman makainan. Kaya lumabas kami dito sa Inasal, sa aming likod.
yan.
Lumabas kami.
Nasal na lang kami.
Oo.
Mamaya pasukin natin itong Pora.
Yan.
Ganda
Kabusog
niya sa
ko.
gabi.
Thanks.
Ganda niya sa gabi. Oh, diba, mga ka-adventure. Actually, it's already, anong oras na ba?
6:10 p.m.
Alas
Yan.
6 pa lang pero dilim na mga ka-adventure. Parang ulan yata.
Ang update sa Taal, wala naman siyang nagaganap na pagsabog ngayon.
Wala daw magsabog.
Wala.
Sana hindi na naman sumabog. Ano, kakawa kasi yung mga babayan natin dito sa Bataan.
Ang temperature ngayon hindi naman kasi malamig. Wala siyang lamig ngayon. Mainit.
Parang fresh pa rin ako galing sa ano. Guys, update na lang namin kayo dito sa loob ng Pora mamaya after